I want you to take 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and prep the lady by taking her off the track. And now you're going to do 8 counts or 4 shuffles, and you're going to turn on the first 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're going to go forward, 5 and 6, 7, and prep. And you're going to prep the lady's hand out. Now we're going to walk back to here so that you can see. We've prepped the lady. We're going to give the lady an outside turn on 1 and 2, change the hand on 3 and 4, forward 5 and 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and on 8, he's going to prep me 8 by taking his
right hand
and just leading me straight forward so I'm perpendicular to slot. Now we're going to do what's called window wraps. He's going to wrap me up on 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. He's facing down line of dance. I am facing back line of dance. He's going to lead from the left hand by leading me around behind, and I'm going to pick him up on the other side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And on the 4, he's actually going to prep me out here. He's going to prep me out. I think that was 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That was 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're ready to start that combination over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and prep. And we'll go back and we'll come at you and move it a little bit for you.
First danced away from the camera too.
Okay, we're prepped right here. And now he's going to wrap me up on 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. To talk that hand movement through, Jack is going to prep me with the right hand. The right hand will bury, in other words, it goes down. Left hand is up. Now he lifts the right hand, buries the left, and allows me to wrap into his left arm.
Make a nice little arch.
Nice little arch. Then all he has to do is lead from that left hand, tell me to go. By virtue of the right hand being connected to the lady, that will take her around, and then he reaches over the top. That's how you continue to walk into the window wraps. To take it out, instead of picking up this hand, he's going to lead me into an inside loop. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So if we took this whole thing, can we dance this all the way around the room here? If we take the whole thing from here, and my sign fell down. Un momento, por favor. We'll try and dance it all the way around. Okay, and we'll do 2 sets of window wraps. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and prep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and prep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and prep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and prep. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That was the combination. Have fun with it, and I hope we get to see you again sometime. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, my name is Buzzy Hennigan. This is my lovely wife, Kelly. We're from Shreveport, Louisiana, and we're here this weekend with you guys at the Eastern. We're going to teach beginning polka. The first thing I showed you guys in beginning polka was the man step. The man starting on his left foot, and it is a 1 and 2 with the right foot, 3 and 4. Showing you this backwards. You're starting left foot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The lady step is going to be just the opposite, starting on the right foot. And ladies, I'll have Kelly show you this. She's going to start on her right foot. It's going to be a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then she's going to turn around and do that backwards for us, starting on the right foot, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then we went into our class, we did a closed basic, we did a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Alright, that was a closed basic. Now, on 4, when we were here, we went 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We led the ladies to step out of the line of dance on 1 and 2. So it's like this. It's a 1 and 2, and the men were backwards, doing a backward basic, 3 and 4. So the men, on this lead here, when you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, you're going to lead the lady step out of line on 1 and 2, coming backwards, 3 and 4. Then we showed the man to turn the lady back. He's just going to repeat and do just what the lady did. He's going to step out of the line, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hooking the left foot, 1 and 2, bringing the lady around the line of dance, repeating a 3 and 4, and a closed basic. Okay, the next thing we did is we did an outside turn for the lady, and we led that as soon as we stepped forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here's the lead. You're going to take the left hand over the lady's head, turning her outside turn clockwise. 1 and 2. Both of us backward line of dance. 3 and 4. We took that from a waist wrap. We led the left hand down out of the turn. Man crossed in front of the lady. 1 and 2, picking the left hand back up to the lady's right, turning her in counterclockwise. 1 and 2, catching the back, closing it off. 3 and 4. Okay, let me show you that again. On the outside turn, you're going to turn the lady 1 and 2, 3 and 4, taking the hand down. Taking it to a waist wrap. 1 and 2, picking the hand back up as she comes off of your waist, turning her in, and 2, closing off 3 and 4. And as you're closing her off, one thing I want to show you guys, when you're turning her in on 1 and 2, that back is shown to you right there. As she's finishing that turn, put your hand there, and when she turns, you'll close it off. And that's what we taught in our polka beginning class. We appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any problems, give us a holler back. It's Buzzy, my wife Kelly. We're going to show you what we taught in our polka class, which was on Friday night. This was our intermediate to advanced class. We started in a closed basic position. We went 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We led the ladies a step out of our line, and we did 360s. So we went a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Make sure on those 360s, guys, that you try to reach out, down, up line of dance with that left foot when you're here. 1 and 2. If you note, the lady stepped inside my right foot. When I turn around 3 and 4, I'm stepping inside her left foot, or right foot. Okay, so we're going to show you those patterns again. It was a 360, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, right here we turn the lady an outside turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, both of us backward line of dance. I led the hand down. I'm fixing to weave in front of my partner. I'm going to be on the outside floor. She'll be on the inside floor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you note, now I didn't pick up the left hand. I went to a right hand change. Now, on this next pattern, I'm going to turn Kelly. I'm going to cross my left foot, maintaining travel. It's going to be a 1 and 2. If you'll notice, I traveled with her. I didn't go side to the other side because you don't get near as much travel with your foot. It's a 1 and 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to finish that off, pivoting on my left foot here, spinning around, 3 and 4, bringing her to line of dance. So I'm going to do that series for you all at once. So here we go. It's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, bring her around the line of dance. Here the man is going to do a walk, walk, getting on the lady's pattern. Walk, walk. Now, what this will do, during that walk, walk, you're going to take the hand off her waist and down because we're fixing to do windmills. You're on walk, walk. Now, when you did a walk, walk, that puts you on the lady's pattern, which is 3 and 4. So, you're going to go over 3 and 4, picking up the hand 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 1 and 2. Noticing I'm taking the hand over the lady's head on 2 and 4. It's a 3 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? Now, after 3 and 4, we only did 2 of these in the class, but I was just going through that to show you guys. Well, after 3 and 4, we're coming in 3 and 4. Now, you're going to do a 1 and 2, guys. You're going to lead the lady with the right foot to do an outside turn. You're going to go 1 and 2. Now, we're fixing to get back on the man's step with a walk, walk. We're bringing the right hand over your head. It's walk, walk. We're going to continue turning the lady outside turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, changing hands to the normal hand, left hand lead. 1 and 2, and closing it off. And that's what we taught in our intermediate to advanced polka, and we hope you guys enjoyed the class.
Intermediate to advanced polka class. We started off doing 360s, and what we showed right off the bat is we showed setting the lady off out of your line of dance on 4. We went 1 and 2, 3 and 4. With the heel of the hand, we curled it on the lady's back, and that's what set her out of the line of dance. And we'll turn to the camera where I can show you. It's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now the man's going to take his left foot, and we want to take these steps up line of dance. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Still getting the lady back around to set out of position, okay? So we did this, we did 1.5 360s, and what it was a 1 and 2, 3 and set, 1 and 2, 3 and set, 1 and 2, and then we came from off of 1 and 2, we rolled, take the hand off the back, and to a 3 and 4, and we went to a 2-hand position. From here we did a shoulder roll, man dancing backward line of dance. he took his steps back. On one, he took a step toward the lady and got out of her line of dance, and we went to a railroad track. I went to the left rail, and my wife went to the inside rail, went one and, bringing the right hand over, 2, traveling line of dance, 3 and 4. And what we'll do is I'll do that directly into the camera to show you guys. So we're traveling backwards, and we're going to go a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The next pattern we should out of this is the man hooked his left foot and led the lady directly across his line of dance on a 1 and 2, continuing the turn and traveling line of dance, 3 and 4, and you had a leftover right for the man and also a leftover right for the lady. Okay, we'll back up and continue this pattern. Basically here, we made sure, men, that you take your first step forward, 1, allowing the lady to step 1, then you're leading her. I'm going to do a rock step on my right foot, so it's a 1 and you want to lead her as soon as you step 1. It's a 1 and 2, turning her 3 and 4 into a cuddle position or a basket or whatever you guys want to call this. And then what we're going to do here is the next lead that we're going to have is we're going to have the lady do a flat back and roll out. I'm going to lead her with my left shoulder and the hand that's on her hip. I'm going to allow her to bend her hip back. So the lead would be 1 and 2, turning on around, 3 and 4. And then we let go of the right hand. The men did an underarm turn, 1 and 2, leading back, 3 and 4. And we took her to a closed position in which we'll travel this way, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and closing it off. We did go back and advance somewhat some of this material, and I'll show you. And we'll dance it all in just a sec for you. Just to advance it, we're going to take the lady on a 1 and 2. And instead of just going 3 and 4 line of dance, we're going to do a shoulder roll, complete roll, 3 and 4. And then the same hook with the man's foot, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll dance the whole deal for you, and then we'll come back and dance in advance for you. So we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and set, and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, from here, remember now, guys, this is going to be the hardest thing you want to do is make sure you step forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, leading her to duck out, and 2, 3 and 4, setting 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and turning the lady in 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's what we taught. There was one other thing that we advanced, and I'll show you guys where you can go back to it. When we got left over right, we're at this position. You still want to step forward on 1 and make sure you bring her across. 1 and 2. As you're turning her, this time we let her across our line dance. We're going to turn with her. 3 and 4, ducking her out. 1 and 2. 3 and 4, and you're back to the same position, coming out the same way. We'll try to dance this whole advanced pattern for you without adding any basics. Remember what I told you. Leave your basics in there until you get confident with the material, then slowly take them out. So it's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Bring her across. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, ducking her out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, coming out, and 2, 3 and 4, and closing it off. And that was our polka class that we taught for you guys. We had a lot of fun.